guys, it's Iris and welcome to our new channel, Roscoe Weekly, bringing you the most recent Chinese steel prices and market trends every week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here so you won't miss any future updates. This week, China's steel prices have been going up slightly due to the positive effects of manufacturing and property markets as well as government support. However, the good economic news from the US has caused worries that the Federal Reserve may take more drastic steps to control inflation. In accordance, the US dollar is close to its highest point in 3 months, which is putting a lot of pressure on steel prices. This difference in economic policy between China and the US has made it hard for market participants to predict what will happen in the steel market in the future. Next, let's look at the supply and demand situation. The data this week suggests a positive outlook. China's steel production is near its peak, but the rate of growth has slowed. Apparent demand is increasing steadily, but the inventories has decreased significantly. So, what can we predict in the steel market next week? From Roscoe's point of view, steel prices will remain volatile in the short term. On the one hand, it is a high season for steel consumption, and the government's efforts to stabilize the economy could lead to more demand and higher prices. On the other hand, the Federal Reserve's tightening of monetary policy makes it difficult for prices to go up. We should pay close attention to the US non-agricultural employment data and CPI that will be released next week. Well, how do you see the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.